Hello. Today I'm making sweet tea, and I thought I'd show you how I make mine. So, a lot of people call for 2 cups of sugar per gallon of tea. I only put a half a cup of sugar in my gallon of tea. Now, the reason for that is I don't like real sweet tea, but I don't like unsweetened tea. I've never had a complaint, and trust me, I've been doing this same recipe for many, many years. Um, and most people love my tea. If you're used to an extremely sweet tea, then it may take you a little while to back off that sugar until you get there. Um, but with 2 cups of sugar per gallon, you're getting about 3 teaspoons of sugar for every 8-ounce glass of tea. Where if you do it my way, you're only getting maybe 1 teaspoon or a few extra grains there, 1 to 1.5. So your sugar intake is not anywhere near what most recipes call for. Now, what I do recommend paying attention to the type of tea you're buying, or the brand. I've bought brands that are really weak, and you have to have more tea bags. So I've narrowed it down to 4 that I use, and I buy according to whatever's on sale. So I use Lipton, Louisiana, Red Diamond, or Tetley. They all seem to brew about that same strength, so that it always comes out the same. Um, so what I do is I've got about between 7 and 8 cups of water in my pot. I've brought it to a boil. Now I will cut it off, and I'm going to add 4 of these family size tea bags, and that's for a gallon of tea. Now, if you don't want to make a gallon, then you would just half everything I'm telling you and make a half a gallon. So I'm going to drop these in there. Now I'm going to let those steep for 8 to 10 minutes, and then I'll finish it up. Okay, so I have let my tea sit there actually about 12 minutes. Um, Somebody come in, I got a little distracted. As long as you don't let it sit there too long, it's fine. Otherwise, it'll start getting real cloudy if you let it sit too long, and very strong. So now what I do is I take, these are a quarter cup, my little quarter cup scoop I keep in my sugar. And I just put a half a cup of sugar in here. It don't have to be exact. Um, then I hold my tea bags over to the side, pour my tea in. Still got my tea bags in here. That way I don't drop them in my pitcher. And I'm going to let that sugar dissolve really good before I add my water. The other thing is when I add the rest in water, I don't put real cold water. And that's because for some reason, I'm not a scientist, but for some reason, if you like put ice or you get real cold water really fast, it will still get cloudy. So I just do just regular temp. I turn my cold on, but my water's not extremely cold. And then when I'm done, I let it set on the counter for a few minutes before I will put it in the refrigerator. And then sometimes I'll go ahead and get me a glass because I like hot tea. Always make sure that sugar's dissolved before you put your water in. Then you stir it up real good. And that's it. So there you have it. So if you enjoyed this video, please let me know. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.